good afternoon children. Then you already learned how is taking your height, that already learned, isn't it? So here you have to find out your friends last year's height and this year's height, and what is the difference in that height last year's and today's or this year's height, and that difference means they have to grown up how much centimeter they grown up. We can find out how much centimeter they grown up. That we can in the textbook, you know, one table already given. Look here, page number 15. In that page number you can see one table. That table already I given here. All of you look here. Here, find out and fill the table. Find out and fill the table. Now first column, in the first column your friend's name. That you can call and ask the friends. Then how much, what is the height in the last year, and what is the height of this year, and you can find out. Here I already given an example for that. Listen here. In the first column, that is friend's name. In the first column, that is friend's name, and in second column, that is last year's height. That is the last year's height, and in the third column, that is this year's height. Last year's height and this year's height, and last column how much centimeter they have grown. And here you are giving the measurement that is in centimeter, and here that what is the difference of these two and last year's and this year's. That difference means that is they grown up that much centimeter. They grown up that much centimeter. Here look here. First that is Neha. The name is Neha, and Neha's last year's height is 130 centimeter. That is in centimeter, 130 centimeter, and this year her height is 140 centimeter. What is the 140 centimeter? And what is the difference between these two children? This year she is already 140 centimeter, but in last year that is 130 centimeter. The difference of that is 140 minus 130. What is 140 minus 130 children? That is 10 centimeter, isn't it? So this Neha already grown up 10 centimeter than last year. Okay. Then second one, that is Rana. Rana, that is last year 128 centimeter and this year 136 centimeter. Last year 126 and this year 136. And the difference between of last year's and this year's, that is 8 centimeter. That means he already grown up 8 centimeter than last year. And next one, that is Bina. Bina's height is, last year's height is 123 centimeter. And here this year 130 centimeter. That means the difference between of this year and last year, that is 7 centimeter. That means Bila already grown up 7 centimeter than last year. Did you understand? So you also select that table, find out your friend's name. You can write it here, your friend's name and their height of the last year and this year, and find out the difference of that two. Then after that you can fill that. Okay. Then next one. Next is, look at children. Jumba wants read the next one. The height of a tallest man. Look here. Look here children. Jumba wants read a list of the tallest people in the world. Jumba, this one is Jumba. And she already read the list of the tallest person. In that, one person is 270. The height of one person is 272 centimeter. That is 272 centimeter. That 272 centimeter, the Jumba is telling that is double of Jumba's height. That is double of Jumba's height. Which one is the double of Jumba's height? Which one is double of Jumba's height? That is this 272 centimeter. 272 centimeter. Then what is the height of Jumba? The question is, what is the height of Jumba? This 272 centimeter, that is the double of Jumba's height. Then what is the height of Jumba? Then how is doing that, children? Then is it multiplication or division? Which way we want to follow? Yes, double. Look here. What is the double of 5, children? What is the double of 5? Double of 5 means that is 10. Isn't it? That is 10. If this 10 is double of 5. Isn't it? Double of 5, that is 10. So 10 means that is double of 5. Isn't it? So if you want to find out what is the double of 10 means 10 divided by 2. What is 10 divided by 2? That is 5, isn't it? How many times this 2 goes in 10? Look here. How many times this 2 goes in 10? That is 5 times. So 10 is the double of 5. 10 is the double of 5. So likewise here 272 is the weight of the height of double of Jumba's height. That means what is the height of Jumba, children? Height of Jumba is equal to 272 divided by 2. 272 divided by 2. How is looking that, children? 272 divided by 2. 2 look here. How many times this 2 goes in 2? Only one time. That one you want to write it here. 1 2s are 2. And what is next? This number you have to download, isn't it? So 7. How many times 2 goes in 7? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. What is remaining? 1. And you can do it this also out of 12 to 6 times. 6 2s are 12, isn't it? 6 2s are 12. Then what is the Jumba's height, children? Jumba's height is 136 centimeter. 136 centimeter. That 136 centimeter, that is the double of this 136 is, that is 272. That is the tallest person's height, isn't it? So okay, that you have to write in your notebook. And next one you can see here in page number 15. That also you have to do this one. This find out and fill the table, that you have to do as a homework. And second one, the long and short of your family, that also you have to write it. Who is the tallest person in your family? Who is the tallest person in your family? That you have to find out and write it. And next one, who is the shortest of your family? Who is the shortest in your family? That also you have to write it here. Is it your brothers or sisters? That you have to write it. And next one, what is the difference between their heights? What is the difference between their heights means who is the tallest person in your house, and their height you want to write it here. And height of tallest person, how much that you write it, and shortest person's height also you write it. And what is the difference means that tallest person, if this height of tallest person, that is 180 or 230, 210, okay. And next shortest person's height is 120. Then what is the difference between, children? 210 minus 120. That is the difference of that two, isn't it? 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 2, that is not possible. So you can carry from here. And 2 from, you have to take 1 from here, isn't it? Then this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2, 9. And this also 1. 1 minus 1, 0, isn't it? So 90 centimeter, that is the difference between the shortest and the tallest persons. Okay. Then next one is in the school sports meet. Listen, children. You are also participating in the sports in your school, isn't it? That last year also you already participated in that race, running race, 100 meter running race and 50 meter running race, isn't it? So here also there is a race. Look here. This is a 100 meter race for girls. And here Arundhati is nearest finishing line. Look here. Arundhati is nearest. Yes, look here children. This one is the race. This one is the finishing point. Finishing point. And Arundhati is standing here. This one Arundhati. And this one, the distance of Arundhati from finishing line, that is 6 centimeter. And here Rahana is already standing here. Rahana. And here Konkana and Uma are standing here. Konkana and Uma. Here Konkana, Uma are standing here. And here, look here, behind, yes, 100-meter running race. And in this, Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. Arundhati means this one is Arundhati, nearest the finishing line. And the distance between these from finishing point is 6 centimeter. Okay. And next is Reina. Behind her is Reina. Behind her is Reina. And Konkana and Uma are running behind Reina. Konkana and Uma, they are running behind Reina. And here, look at the picture. To answer the questions below, choose from these distances: 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, 15 meters. 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, and 15 meters. You look here. How far is also, that is already given in the textbook. Then look here. How far is Reina from Arundhati? How far is Reina from Arundhati? Look here. This one is the 6 centimeter distance. So this distance is half of this distance, isn't it? You look here, that you can see or you can understand from the picture itself. Okay, this one is 6 centimeter, so that is half of that 6 centimeter. Half of 6 centimeter means 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeter, isn't it? That is 3 centimeter. And look here, next one is how far ahead is Reina from Konkana and Uma? How far is this Reina from Konkana and Reina? That is also same as this finishing point to Arundhati. That is how much centimeter? That is also 6 centimeter. So, in first, how far is Reina from Arundhati? Reina from Arundhati, that is 3 centimeter. So, you can write it here, 3 centimeter. And next one, next question, how far ahead is Reina from Konkana and Uma? That is 6 centimeter. That is same as Arundhati from finishing line. And third question, how far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line? How far this Konkana and Uma from finishing line? That finishing line means from finishing line to Arundhati, that is 6 centimeter, plus Arundhati from Arundhati to Reina, that is 3 centimeter, and from Reina to Konkana and Uma, that is 6 centimeter. Then how much centimeter, children? 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, that is 9 centimeter, and 9 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, that is 15 centimeter. Okay. So third answer, you can write it likewise. This one, 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, children. Okay. Bye, children.